Hey, what's up? It's Mr. J with SciOnTheFly, the place where learning makes sense. Are you a student who's recently been given the task to come up with a state project, but you don't know what to do, where to go, or how to get started? If so, I'm here to help. Now, I'm not going to do this project for you, but I do want to help give you enough information to get that ball rolling so you can take it, run with it, and do a great job on it. I have a state report graphic organizer that I have for sale on my Teacher Pay Teacher website. If you think that might be something you want or need, I'm going to put a direct link for it in the comments section down below. Now, this video is specifically tailored for students who are doing their project on the state of Idaho. Idaho became the 43rd state to join the Union on July 3rd, 1890. The original governor was a guy named George Shoup. We know today that the capital of Idaho is Boise, but that wasn't always the case. Idaho's original capital was a town called Lewiston. The state flag consists of a blue background with the state seal in the center and a banner underneath it which reads State of Idaho. The state bird is the mountain bluebird. The state tree is the western white pine. The state flower is syringa. The state nickname is the gem state. And the state motto is a Latin phrase called Esta Perpetua, which means it is forever. I like that. Now hopefully that's enough information to help get that ball rolling, take it, run with it, and do a great job on it. Until next time, it's Mr. J with SciOnTheFly, the place where learning makes sense.